All right, your order on this one: Derek, Isaac, James, 7, Paul, and Eric. All right, Derek, you're going to tell him. Isaac, James, 7.
Yeah, you have to jump.
Paul. And Eric. All right. Round number 2, first stop, Chuck. He's going to set our early TT time. Watch the triple, watch the triple. Watch the triple.
Okay. Nope, I wasn't going. You do it good. Put it on your tippy toe. Dude, no, I'm not. I'm like this. Right. Dude, hurry up there. I can do it. Look, right here. Take me another one.
$4 minutes left.
That's on a triple rotate. Right, we'll let everybody get around one more time and start calling them off. Number 45 is James out front, setting a pretty good time here. He's got a 19.510, Isaac 16.505, Eric half a second back on a 507. Derek on a 15.507, Paul dead even 507.2 for both Derek and Paul. 17.502, but he was pulled off. Watch the triple. Watch after the triple now. So I'm getting a workout.
Minutes left.
I think 45 left. James still out front, showing at 19.507. You're really looking over there. J-Con double. Going across the line. See if he's going to hold on to that. Drops it down to a 506. 15.2 is his fast lap. A couple laps to go in lap 10. Isaac in the 2 spot on a 16.510. Derek 16.507. Paul 15.513. Eric 15.507.
One minute left.
Less than a minute to go. James still on that solid 19 lap run. 5:06. Trying to set a good TT time here in that first of the stock truck. Isaac 17.514. Derek on 16.508. Then Paul and Eric running up the field. Paul now moving up to the 3 spot. Got a good race going on between Paul and Derek. Paul coming over the triple, using the white, green, and blue. Derek down the straightaway in the black and pink. Oh, Paul with some trouble on the Viper switchback. Oh, huge pile up. Hey man, there's 2 cars that didn't get in on that. They almost had all of them. Watch the front. That one's going to work out. James managing to get through that mess. James was triple on one of his last laps. Actually, this will be his last lap. Isaac, you done? James barely banging the cowbell. James is done. Derek, you done. Eric, you done. And Paul Buchanan as he crosses the line. That's the race. The James will take that one. Finish now with the 19.506. Isaac second. 16.504. Paul 16.510.